Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is super easy, chocolate covered almond truffles. Here you go. The rose petals and pistachios and almond spread on top. You can see how colorful they look and very elegant look and very festive look they got. So I hope you like this recipe. Let's get started with how to make it. I made about 24 truffles in just 2 cups of almond flour. But before that, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of water and some strands of saffron. Saffron is optional, but it gives beautiful flavor and color to the truffle, so we will add that as well. And I have half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, so we are going to bring it to boil just about 3 to 4 minutes, and then in the meantime we will do the sifting of almond flour. So here I have taken 2 cups of almond flour, which is blanched almond flour. So just sieve it and sift it and make sure no lumps are there. Okay, so my sugar syrup is now boiling. We are going to slowly add our almond flour. I just added half of the almond flour quantity and just give it a good mix to get the beautiful color because of the saffron. And also add 1 tablespoon of ghee, which is clarified butter, just to give that nice smooth texture. Make it with the chocolate layer on top of the balls. So mix it well till about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so after about 3 to 4 minutes of stirring continuously, we see the dough is ready. Now the test is just get some in your hand and try to roll it like this, so it's getting in a ball shape very nicely and easily. So this is how we are going to make sure that the dough is ready. And now let's keep the mixture in a separate plate to cool off for some time. Alright, so apply some ghee on your palm and get like a spoonful of mixture and just roll it. So you can eat it as is with some sprinkle of dry fruits, or simply do it the way I'm going to show you later in this video. Alright, so we are almost done with this recipe already. So I have this white chocolate or almond bark. It's about 1 cup, and I've added 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and just simply microwaved it for about 30 to 40 seconds until it melted like this. And this is just for garnishing or some decoration to make it look colorful. So I have some dried rose petals from my garden and chopped pistachios and chopped almonds. So this is just for decoration. So let's get started dipping the almond balls into the chocolate. And I have my baking cups lined up. These are just the small ones. And in about 2 cups of almond flour, I have made about 23-24 almond balls, just so you know. With the help of a fork, you can get the ball covered in the chocolate. Make sure there is no excess chocolate on it, and then put it in the baking cup. I have these small baking cups. You'll get it in any baking shop or grocery store. And then add the colorful, delightful toppings. And look at this, guys, this looks so beautiful. The chocolate layer will thicken up in an hour or so, or you can keep it in the refrigerator to do it faster. And look at this, guys, sweet little almond truffles are ready within half an hour or so. It doesn't take long to make it, as you have seen in the video. Here you go, perfect recipe for any festivity. Alright, so I hope you like this recipe and give it a try at home. Share your feedback, and of course, if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Alright, see my other videos and let me know your feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful for you to make such easy and simple yet so delicious almond truffle sweet as a dessert. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.